Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to CapCut desktop for auto captions step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the official CapCut website. Locate the download or get started section on the home page. Click on the link to download CapCut desktop. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file on your computer. Open the downloaded file to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to install CapCut Desktop. After installation, launch the CapCut Desktop application. If prompted, log in with your existing CapCut account or create a new one. Navigate to the menu and locate the subscription options. Select the subscription plan that includes auto captions. Enter your payment information in the provided fields. Confirm your payment and complete the subscription process. Open a project where you want to use auto captions. Navigate to the audio or video section of your project. Look for the auto captions feature in the editing tools. Click on the auto captions option to enable it for your project. Adjust the settings as needed for your captions. Start editing your video with the newly enabled auto captions feature. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.